Hello everyone, we are Think and Intuit and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to dive into one of the most popular technical fields in science and technology, that is artificial intelligence. To motivate ourselves why we should spend our time studying artificial intelligence, let's look at some of the applications. So we all must have heard about Google Assistant, Microsoft Cortana, Apple Siri, or Amazon Alexa. So it turns out that these are intelligent personal assistant systems which help the user to perform routine tasks like searching for a restaurant nearby or making a call to someone. Apart from this, AI has tremendous usage in the field of robotics. So we all must have heard about self-driving cars like Tesla or robots like Sophia or surveillance robots or Amazon delivery robots. So AI forms the backbone of such systems. Similarly, many companies like Amazon, YouTube, Netflix, Pinterest, Facebook use AI models to recommend products to their customers or users. AI also plays a significant role in healthcare and genetics, including things like analyzing the MRI scans of the patient or used for studying the 3D structure of the protein or for the drug discovery. Overall, in our day to day lives, we use AI applications knowingly or unknowingly. However, if this still doesn't motivate you, then in terms of job opportunities, machine learning engineer, research engineers, and data scientists are among the highly demanded and well paid professions across the job market in the world.
So, before diving further and before answering this question why learning is important, let's try to define AI. So, AI is all about making machines intelligent and providing them with knowledge to make such decisions. Well, it is also described as a way of inducing some knowledge in machines so that they could observe, reason, and infer. Well, these reasoning could be based on some sort of knowledge about the environment. Initially, that is like during early days of AI based models, it involved knowledge based systems or expert systems, where such knowledge was hard coded in terms of rules. So, what you see above is basically the same system where you have hard coded rules, which is coming along with your data. And the classical program is basically trying to decode your data based on those rules. But the real world data can be dynamic. That is, it might change over time, incomplete and noisy, which make it difficult for such systems to make inferences and make good decisions. And to show that there's one that what you see on the right side is one such example where you have different variations of two, and it is impossible to hand code or hard code these variations, uh, well, these are in a machine learning language, these are described as latent factors of variations. And it is impossible to encode all these factors of variation. So we need some sort of technique which could learn these factors of variation. That's where machine learning comes into, where the goal is to design and develop AI systems which aim to acquire their knowledge by extracting patterns from raw data. And this capability is basically the name itself is machine learning. So here's a good summary of what we have seen so far. So this is the whole AI landscape, and machine learning is a subdomain of artificial intelligence, and further representation learning is another subdomain of ML, where the whole task is to learn good representations of the underlying data. But machine learning is not a standalone field. More precisely, it's a tool about inferring from data that can be exploited in multiple fields. And machine learning research is about making these tools more sophisticated and capable enough to deal with intricacies of real world data. And what you see here is basically trying to show like how machine learning or deep learning is indirectly dependent on other fields like pattern recognition, statistics, visual analytics, data science, algorithms, and many more. However, this is not an exhaustive list. Thank you for your attention. If you like the video, do like and share.
And also let us know in the comment box what topics you would like us to cover, whether it's related to ML research or ML basics. Cheers.